3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower clear.
Hey again, this is Bill with the Apollo Project. I'm just making a quick little video for the benefit of those who donated to the GoFundMe project, specifically to get the updated software and audio clips and manual for the Open DSKY. Most people already, well, I don't know about most, but a lot of people who purchased the DSKY purchased kits and know how to build them. Of course, they built the kit and know how to install everything. But there are a lot of people who bought the fully assembled and tested kit and may not know anything about electronics. So this is primarily for them, to show them how to install these. What you would do, if you got the slim back, it's going to look like this. If you got the big back, it'll be larger, but it'll still have the same type of assembly. But you would take it, turn it over, and you've got a number of screws on the back, and you should have the kit should have come with an Allen wrench of this sort, which is designed for the cap screws. If it didn't come with one, you should be able to find one. If you don't already have a set of hex keys, you should be able to find one at the hardware store. But I've already loosened all the screws except one. I'm just going to show, just insert it, just loosened it up. You don't even have to take them all the way out, just as long as the back will come off. So you take the back off, and you got two things you need to install. Well, first off, before you can install it, you need to remove the old ones. The SD card is fairly easy to remove. It's spring loaded, so you just push it and it slides out. So you can take that one out and put in the new one. And it'll click when it goes in, so you push it until it clicks and it will hold in just like that. And so that's half the upgrade right there. The other half will consist of the Arduino Nano clone, the 18 mega 328p, and it comes. And I did this on purpose. I bought them with the leads already installed, so this is just a plug-in operation. But it is a little bit stiff. The socket is pretty tight, so you need to be very careful. Hold your DSKY down and just kind of rock this. You grab it from the sides, rock it back and forth, and gently until it frees up. You do not want to pry it off with a screwdriver or something like that, because not only could you damage the circuit board underneath, but you could bend the pins, either one of which could cause problems. But just rock it back and forth and gently lift it out. It'll eventually come out on its own. And then you take the new one, and it'll come with a sponge to help protect the pins. So you take it off the sponge. And for those, for those who assembled theirs, if you had a problem similar to me, I did not get these exactly parallel. They are spread out just a little bit, so I've got to stretch a little bit to get these in. But the assembled and tested ones, they should be straight up and down, and this should be a straight fit in. But for me, I'm going to have to put it in on one side. And you notice the side with the USB is going to go toward the opening. It's going to have some connectors here. You don't have to worry about those. The one that comes with it has the spot for them, but they're unused, so there weren't any headers for them. But you don't have to worry about those. Just don't mash down on them because they're pointy. But line up one set of sockets, one set of headers into the sockets, that is. And if you're like me and I've put them a little bit too far apart, just a little gentle pressure will bring them together and fit the other ones in. And evenly press the Arduino down on both sides, and that will install the Nano. So then you can close this back, line up the screw holes, and screw those back in. It's easier to tighten it up like this. There you go. And you can do for the rest of them. And now comes the moment of truth. Power it on. So far so good. Now let's see if we have our audio. Verb 21, enter noun 98, enter, let's do, one of my favorites is Apollo 17 doing their famous or infamous rendition of I Was Strolling on the Moon One Day. So that's 12, and let's play it.
I was strolling on the moon one day in the very month of December. May's the month. May, that's right. May is the year of the month. When, much to my surprise, a pair of lovely eyes. Sorry about that, guys, but today may be December.
Really was December. Okay, they're going to keep on going. I'm going to just shut this off right now. And that's all it takes for doing the upgrade. And so thank you for supporting the Apollo Education Experience Program project. And enjoy your upgrade. Thank you and take care.